So if you're a Duramax guy and you have this code P0101 and it's bringing up engine power is reduced, the first thing to check for is check your MAF sensor, see if it's clean or if it's dirty. If it is dirty, get some MAF sensor cleaner and clean it off, and then try it. If it's still not working, get a scan tool, either borrow one or go buy a cheap one. They have them pretty well cheap nowadays at Walmart or Harbor Freight or any other store, even online. Pick them up. Get one with live data if you can. So you can look at live data. So this one's got a P0101, which is the mass airflow sensor. Not reading right. On this truck, we tested the old one. We put another Duramax MAF sensor on this one, and it worked fine. So we ordered a new one from Napa, put the Napa one on, and the same code came up. So we did a test on it. We went to our live data, went to the menu, did a custom live data, and picked out 3, and those 3 were the MAP sensor, the MAF, and the baro sensor, and they're all reading in metric, if you can see. So the only thing that really changed was on the bad one, it would read 24, and the new one from Napa is reading 26. On the ones off the other Duramaxes that are working fine, they're reading anywhere from 31 to 33. We've tried 2 of them off of 2 different Duramaxes on this Duramax, and the code goes away. We don't have that engine reduced power anymore. So we talked to Napa, and it sounds like it's a really common thing. They're constantly selling MAF sensors. They don't work, and shops are returning them. So make sure if you buy a new one, you stick it on and it still doesn't go away, check your live data and just see what it's reading, and check it if you can with the old one and new one. Make sure they're not reading the same thing. And then on your baro and map sensor, if you're still having the same code, your baro and map should kind of follow each other. So if one jumps up a few, the other one should jump up a few too. And if that doesn't work, then most likely you have a bad map sensor as well. Hopefully this helps anybody else. We kind of struggled on this one for a little while and finally figured it out. So good luck, and hope you figure out your problem.